How to fix the issue with BoostOne application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with BoostOne application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now, our very first solution is to check whether the Wi-Fi connection in our device is alright or not. After that, you need to clear the cache and data of the BoostOne application. So for that, simply tap and hold on the icon of BoostOne application and go to App Info. There, choose the option of storage and click on Clear Data. After that, if you are using any VPN in your mobile device or your laptop, simply disable it. Now this next step is for the mobile devices. If you are using BoostOne application in ultra power saving mode, simply disable it. After that, you need to try and reinstall the application. And if there is availability of updated version of BoostOne, do update the application. Now, after that, if your problem is still not solved, try restarting your device and then open the BoostOne application and navigate to support team section. There you need to explain your problem in brief and then the support team of BoostOne application will get back to you. And if your problem is still not solved, the problem might be sometime with the server of BoostOne application. So you are suggested to wait for a while and then open the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with BoostOne application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.